Hello, welcome. This is Roger Royce. I'm the host of the 10,000 Startups podcast. I'm also a corporate and tax partner with the law firm of Haynes Boone, resident in downtown Palo Alto, heart of the Silicon Valley. And this will be a quick one. I don't know if you've been watching the press about venture capital activity 2023, 2021, but it is really interesting. And I just want to spend a few minutes here talking about because we've now got numbers. It's already March of 2024. And so we've got good 2023 numbers. So first, according to Fortune, seed financing value or financing valuations generally at any stage, pre-seed, seed, early stage, late stage, growth, at all stages, they fell at every stage in 2023. So valuations went down, and they went way down by a factor of about 50% since their post-COVID highs in 2020. I guess that would have been COVID highs, right? So, or 2021 rather. So 2 years, 50% drop in valuations at every stage, according to Fortune magazine. That's pretty significant, for sure. The other thing that went down, predictably, were exits. Fewer exits than there have been in 9 years. And that actually fell in 2022, you might remember, and it fell even more in 2023. It's the lowest it's been in a decade. So, normally I've been around a long time. I've seen a lot of cycles, and typically I see a drop in financings, but an increase in M&A activity, exits, or vice versa. Last year, it was both drop in financing and in exits. So where is the money going? One interesting thing that Fortune pointed out is that women-owned companies have done better than others, better than they have even before COVID. Nobody did better than 2021, right? Deal value for women founders in 2021 was 61 billion. In 2023 was 44 billion. So it was a drop, but that 44 billion is still way higher than it ever has been in any other year other than 2021. So the conclusions, and then PitchBook, of course, which also publishes data, they had similar data. And their thing is that deals, fundraising, exit activity, deal values, with some exceptions, were all down. They view the VC industry as being very well capitalized. So there's money out there on the sides. And they think that there's the things that are going to attract a lot of investment and are attracting a lot of interest are predictably artificial intelligence. Although I've heard venture capitalists say the otherwise. I think some of them think that only the big players are going to be able to dominate this space. Life sciences and clean tech are all attracting venture capital investments. So we'll see what happens in 2024. There's nowhere to go but up. Thanks. This is Roger Royce at Haynes Boone with the 10,000 Startups podcast. Follow me on my Apple podcast, 10,000 Startups, if you'd like to hear weekly content on issues of interest about legal issues for startup companies.